Alicia Powell, and we are a flooring company out of Houston, Texas, named Redco Distribution. Our biggest challenge was our inventory for our web store did not show by location, and Gurus actually wrote scripts so that when you go to our web store, each item shows what we have in each city, because you didn't want somebody showing up for a will call in Austin and the product was only in Houston. So Gurus solved that for us. 4 years ago, I came to Sweet World with the express purpose of finding a new partner, and I probably interviewed about 5 different companies, and Gurus presented the best ideas. They seemed to have the best solution because we had the one specific problem. I mean, we knew that we would need other assistance, but that had to be solved. We just got the best assurances that they could do it and not have to figure it out as they went. We just immediately felt comfortable. We felt confident that the sales team could be seamless to the technical team, to the teams that could do the scripting. So we've always felt really connected. And when we found Gurus, we were just really turning on our web presence. Gurus has done a great job, and we were able to just turn it on and go. So now people can order from us all day long, all night long. There are customers that are remote that we don't need the one-on-one interaction, and they can just order at 11 o'clock at night if they want and trust that it's going to get there. I would definitely recommend Gurus. I have referred several people that I've worked with through the years to Gurus because I'm so confident in the work that they do and the value they've added for me, the processes that they've helped me streamline, problems that they've helped me solve, scripts that they've written for me. They've all been great, and I recommend them all the time.